Into sister, I did your panel. I have been telling you that I'm the village boy from Ghana. I'm always proud to call myself a village boy because I know where I'm coming from and I'm not here to fake it. But I've never introduced my village to you guys, so today, being a Christmas day, this is just a surprise gift for you all. Welcome to my village. This is Ahinkofi, a suburb between Kojokrom and Nkrofo. Ahinkofi is not all that famous, but hey, since I was born and raised in this village, from now, Ahinkofi to the world. Hashtag Ahinkofi to the world. Oh my goodness, but this place got a lot of memories, so I had to come back here to do this video on this special day. This is actually a special day. I'm here to surprise my mom, but I just want to share some of my childhood stories with you guys. You know what? Come closer. This was my mom's kitchen. I don't know, like my mom used to sell kenke here. So this was the kitchen for my mom, and this was my house. You know, this is my house, and I spent all my life sleeping at this place. This place that you see here used to be my bedroom till I left for China. And then this door, I will not take you in there, but that's where my mom and dad, that's their bedroom. And then this place was also my siblings were living there. And shout out to my senior brother. When he got so old, he felt like, no, it's time to have his privacy. So he divided this place into two. So this small ghetto you see here is the room for my senior brother. Shout out to you, Emmanuel Darlington in Austria. This is our bathroom. You know, we don't have showers in the room like most of you. You wake up, you come in here to shower. But you know, for me, I used to stand outside to shower. You know, people have to see your machine, you know, because by the time you go there, someone is in there. So you need to stand somewhere and finish it up. Or if you don't want to use this place, you go to the nearby river and then just go shower. That is how it is. But one of the saddest things is like when nature calls, oh my God. The toilet is like 400 meters away from here. And sometimes you have to run. Let me add this story to it. I feel like it's funny and it's something that I need to share with you guys. There was this day we were in class. Our teacher, I think I was in class 5 or so. My teacher started talking about, for her, in her house, she used to sit in the washroom. Like, I mean, sit, ease herself and eat at the same time. I started laughing, alone. Like, madam, are you crazy? My teacher thought I was insulting her. I was like, no, where I live, even 1 minute, eating over there in a minute, you will die or faint. Because the scent there is so strong that it can even bomb the entire nation. That was just by the way. So today is Christmas.
Yeah.
And do you know how we used to celebrate Christmas in here?
I think I should help you with that.
No, you have to help me with that.
Okay, so we used to celebrate Christmas using kokonte. Do you guys
know kokonte?
I'm not sure you do know it, but I think we should.
Because our parents couldn't afford to buy rice, chicken,
pork,
oil and the rest. Even some people eat spaghetti during Christmas.
Yeah, I think we need to appreciate this man. There was this man staying. I'm sure he's
still around.
Yes, so
he's still around.
he used to work with the pot.
Exactly.
And every year they used to share something like the company.
Yeah.
So he was the one giving us rice, oil, and everything, eggs.
He's just our next door neighbor.
He's our
I'll try and show him on camera.
Yeah, so I think we have to say thank
you
to him and also say thank you to others. They also played a major role.
Yeah, and there's one thing that I was so sad, I don't know if she can remember. There was this day that we were eating, the whole family. It was Christmas Day. We're eating together with my father, mother, and all the siblings, like everyone, you know. But my mom used to owe someone.
Yeah, maize.
Oh
my God. You know, my mom used to sell kinke. She
Exactly.
used to prepare it herself.
Yeah.
But she wasn't buying the condo, but rather buying the corn itself.
Yeah.
So I'm sure she went to buy some
And
from a lady. And
she didn't pay.
She was actually owing the lady, I think 20 cedis or something.
Exactly.
So we were eating fufu in a big bowl here.
It was here, not here. It was here.
He's serious?
No, it's out there. It's out there. Yeah, I remember. Just out there.
Oh, really?
I remember.
So it was joined up. It was fufu with light soup.
Yeah, fufu like soup. Yeah.
I don't know. I've forgotten the name. So the lady came here. We were all eating, and the lady started screaming like, "Famisi, come on! Famisi, come on!" Like I was like, really, you know. And we were all enjoying the fufu because we hardly eat fufu.
Yeah, exactly. We couldn't afford, but
couldn't
that day
we were able to afford
that fufu.
You get it. So,
but that woman appeared, and everything
got.
Yeah. And I know my mom will remember this story.
Yeah, she would.
So today, being a Christmas day, I decided to surprise my mom.
Yeah.
She has been a caring woman, very supportive. Like, you guys have no idea, my mom is my biggest fan. She watched every single video. If you didn't know that,
you said something about you surprising her on the 23rd.
Yeah.
And I had a call from her. P, Beto says he's going to surprise me on the 23rd. What is it about? I was like, I don't know. I don't even watch his video often.
I even told the guy that my mom would never watch that video, so forget about it.
No, she watched
my mom watched every single
so
video.
I'm sure she's waiting for it, guys. We are sweating. The sun is.
My mom is my biggest fan. So come.
Yeah.
This.
Oh my God.
This is a surprise for my mom. You know, like she was getting angry because I don't change my clothes.
I think I also got angry. I even decided to buy
him clothes.
You know.
You see, like I've been traveling with this. 1, 2, 3. Everywhere I go to. Just because I wanna save the money for this. So I promise you guys, from next year, I'll change my wardrobe because the dream has come true.
Thank God.
So like mom is in the other house. I'm gonna drive the car and then go give her the car, but someone has to blindfold her. And then we surprise her with this beautiful.
Thank you for choosing her favorite color for the day.
Yeah, I know she loves like blue and white. So yeah. So you know what? Just stay tuned. Let's see how mom is gonna react when she sees this car. Aiyawodemaya. Yo, the car is moving and the final moment is here, man. Like, are you ready?
I'm ready.
What reaction do you expect from Interract?
I seriously don't want her to be emotional. I wouldn't like her to cry.
No, Interract will not cry.
Happy, right?
Interract will not cry.
She would.
Interract will not cry.
I don't know.
Yeah, we're almost there. Almost there. Hey, right. Hey, hey. Hey, my boy, I'm going to. Hey, hey, welcome. I'm asking.
When you need it, hey, when you need it, and to my getting
Uncle.
ah,
Hi, Mama, go for me. Auntie Maggie Jado. Mama, I have a new partner there. You're trouble you more. Maybe so, you're trouble you more. And then obey day and then Merry Christmas. You're trouble you more. Okay, moment to you. Into our when you Auntie Maggie. Auntie
Maggie.
When you Auntie Maggie.
Okay,
Auntie Maggie.
For pen and a pen. As a virtual hospital.
Into sister, I
may you a panel. Kasha mpobona kasha ata white yentem.
Oh, I say you.
I don't show white. Oh, we know. Oh, so sila. I can't have.
I'm telling you, I'm saying. Oh, my mom. Oh, daddy. They are driven soon. I'm with you.
Finish him. That's your hand. Look, you know, that's it. Ah, so no facing me. Yeah, now for instance, fishing. Next part of
Don't cry, okay?
Later.
Market Express, Ghana. What's the Mumfa way for more? Now, Ubrunyano to make the year. Hi. Now, I don't know your drone to me, but I said, what's the matter with them? But I don't know drunk as I guess. Yeah,
Jesus Christ to me.
I mean, Market Express, I miss the one I saw. Now, hey, no, where is here? Where Ghana? Where Ghana and China? Yeah. And what's the operation? Hey, Ghana China. Hey, what's another man? You see, where Ghana? So I get
Jesus, the other was so dying. Okay. But I was sick. Or didn't Jesus? I feel my cassette. When I wasn't the member of the day, I'm in Sherman. I made you make beer away and no easy. But Jesus Christ did it. Amen.
Amen. That's what I do. So, if you watch my video, you don't know the name of my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is WODEMAYA, which means my mom. So this is my mom. So I just wanted you guys to know that she's the woman behind the channel, and then she's my biggest fan. So, Auntie you now have your own car keys, so who can cry?
I'm not going with it.
Oh, you're not going with it? No, what do I have a car before?
We are doing for our car.